mystery teachings have one purpose: to unfold the inner nature of man according to universally tested rules. And we'll start with the Egyptian, Osiris and Isis. They say before the visible universe was formed, its mold was cast, and this mold was called archetype. And this archetype was in the supreme mind long before the process of creation began. Then the Father, the supreme mind, being light and life, fashioned a glorious universal man in his image, not an earthly man, but a heavenly man, dwelling in the light of God. The supreme mind loved the man it had fashioned, and the man, looking into the depths, smiled, for he beheld a shadow upon the earth, and a likeness mirrored in the waters. And the man fell in love with his own shadow, and decided to descend into it. Nature, beholding the descent, wrapped herself about the man whom she loved, and the two were ever mingled. For this reason, terrestrial man is composite. Within him is the sky man, immortal and beautiful. Without is nature, mortal and destructible.